Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna meet a beauty brand that we're working with. It's been I think a few days we have been working with them, and just like most other brands, even they have witnessed a sharp drop in their sales in last 7 days of this duration before Diwali period, where most brands go through, this kind of dip because people are waiting to make purchases once the Diwali sales begins. So there's a sort of a lump in sales 7 days before the event, or even in some cases even before 8-9 days as well. You can see categorically a drop in sales in the category, which is normal. That's how it should be. But this brand is slightly concerned. I can understand. We just began working with them a few days back, and there's this trust process that happens between our team and the brand's team. It takes some time. So taking their own example, I just wanted to share some common patterns that happens, and things that are normal. One doesn't have to worry a lot. So first thing is, we don't make money when you don't make money. So whenever we work with any customer, we set a benchmark कि भैया इतनी सेल तो आपकी पहले से थी ही, और अगर हम इसके ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो ही हमारे को आप कुछ भी पे करिएगा. दिस इज आवर बिजनेस मॉडल. तो पहला तो यही अलाइनमेंट होता है. ब्रांड शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि वी बोथ आर in the same boat. Our self-interest aligns with their self-interest, and we want to ASAP improve sales, get to rank 1 in their category. That's first point I wanted to share. Second point is, some categories are harder than other categories. Food being one of them. Beauty being one of them. हमारा एक कहावत होती है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं कंपनी के अंदर, कि खाने वाला और लगाने वाला, ये दो कैटेगरी में हम यूजुअली जाते नहीं. मतलब हम काम नहीं करते किसी ब्रांड के साथ. बिकॉज फूड is extremely affinity driven, or / branding / pumping dollar driven. You need to have a lot of money spent before the customer will trust you. मैं आपको कितना भी बोल दूं कि आप मेरा कुमार उज्जवल का बनाया हुआ ऑयल अपने घर में बच्चे को खिलाओ, आप नहीं खिलाने वाले. You will choose Dhara, Saffola, some known brand in the market, because you really give a shit about the quality of oil. So it requires a very high benchmark of trust and consumption before you allow it in your family. That's one thing. Secondly, similarly, lagane wala, because you're putting it on your body. People are very careful when they do that. So, but still, and there are many more categories where this is a problem, that some categories are really hard to crack. And that's exactly what is happening in beauty. We have to go and, turn every stone manually, in the sense, test every variable one by one to figure out whether it is working or not. And it takes time. It takes diligence, So we are trying to educate our beauty brand partner that this is what is happening. And while we are trying to do this Diwali period has, came. So I can understand their concerns. They have hired us to pump up sales, and on the contrary, at least for the 7 days, the sales have been down. I've been telling them that don't worry about this thing. It will get rectified in next couple of days, because the moment Diwali sales begin, everybody will be gung-ho and will push the hell out of their products as well. We have been positioning the product up till now, or products up till now, in the right places, and it is tough. It's expensive. So that's the thing. Third thing is, general, whenever you start working with anyone, there's a general lack of trust that we've observed with any brand. It happens naturally. Whenever you get to meet or interact a new person, somebody who's specially, intervening in your core of the business. For example, like us, people like us who are giving input in the sales element of the business, a healthy dose of mistrust is good. I don't know if I'm putting the right word, but I hope you get that. They have the right to test us. Any brand has the right to test us before they, see the value and align with us. So we're still in that phase where they are having questions and strategies might not make sense to them immediately